back to our JavaScript series where we are into the second video of our playlist and we are going to learn more about variables. So by the end of this video, you will understand how to store and manipulate data in JavaScript. So variables, what are variables? Variables are like containers for storing data. They allow us to name reference data so we can use it throughout our code. In JavaScript, you can create a variable using variable where let or using const. So these are three keywords which you can use to create your variables. So first one is variable. This is the old way of declaring variables. It has function scope and can lead to some unexpected behavior if you are not careful. For example, variable name is equals to for example you can say alias. Okay, we will console it to see I'm using an online runner to demonstrate the examples. So you see here its output. Second one is let. Introduction to, like, it was introduced in ES6. Let allows you to declare variables with block scope, making it more predictable and less error prone. Okay, so for example, let age is equals to 25, and same way using above you can also log it this way to just, you can also do these things in your browser's console. Third one is const. So const also introduced in ES6. Const is used for variables that should not be reassigned. So what I mean by not reassigning, if you define a value with const, a variable with const, then again you cannot reassign a value. In the case of name and age you can do that, but in terms of const you cannot do this. Const is, so what I say earlier, const is used for variables that should not be reassigned. This also has a block scope. You can also create same way like I did above. So for example, pi is equals to, as we all know, the value is 3.14. Here if you will do the console log, it will output same result as above, like you can log the value. Okay, so I think this was all related to defining variables. If you have any questions, comments, or like queries, you can ask me in below comment box. I will feel free to answer it, if possible, each of one. So thanks for watching. Happy coding.